Hi guys, Ralph here. Now this is a supplementary part. Well, there is stage 46 supposed to be happening with using this, and I'll just show you a little bit now. It's putting in a piece of plastic we got from the last one, goes in the side there. However, the problem with this is there's these two replacement parts. Eaglemoss haven't given me instructions, and I assume on the next delivery there'll be instructions, but I can't wait that long because this is going to go in now with the LED strip and parts for 46. So I'm ignoring 46 for the minute, and I'm going to put this on here. Now this is how we need to replace. We've got one red light because this is the port nacelle. Still Eaglemoss, you're still missing that part. There's supposed to be 3 lines on there, very much similar to this grill on here. And why you don't actually figure this out, I don't know. So what we have to do, this is your instructions on how they want you to do this. As I can figure out, that part goes on there, like so. So the ridges go that way. This is just an extra, the part, it's a clear part, and unfortunately it's going to look like it's glowing. Light's going to come through this. So I don't know if it's going to be any good or not. That one, yes, looks absolutely really stupid, because it is. You don't glow this up. So what I need to do is fully dismantle this, which means I take this part off here. So those 3 screws will come off. I need to take the skeleton out because this part of the end here is going to be an absolute nightmare. So these parts will come off, this end blue bit comes off, these nacelle parts come off, everything comes out. So every single screw that we've put on this thing to start with, from episode 1, episode 2, whatever it was, it's got to come out. Simple as. So, should we get on with it? Now, I had a change of heart. You don't have to remove the warp field emitters, the blue parts, they can stay as they are. All the skeleton ones, 1, 2, 3 there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 have to come out. I did take these out, yeah, but it wasn't needed, but it was easy access getting that out of the way. So that will then come out, because those are screwed to the skeleton only, not the metalwork. So that's out. It gives me access to this blue part here. Oh, your little bit in, there you go. The blue part there, so that can go in the pot, and the red part has a flat edge on there, goes forward. That's in place. And this slides out with or without the plastic. So grills facing forward like that. Slot that one in the first groove. I'm going to put that plastic in because I think it needs to go back on. So this part then slides into there, into the first bit, and then the skeleton goes on top, covers everything. Again, yeah, that plastic bit needs to go back on as well. That's good. Right, so what I need to do now is re-screw all this lot back down. I'm going to put a couple in to start with. Again, be careful putting these screws in because you might do something with the threads. They should all be the same screw, I think, unless I've got it completely wrong. That's going around. I've got a funny feeling those front ones are a different screw, and they are. Aha! Right. Those ones at the end are a bigger screw, so keep 3 which look different to one side. I'm searching through the screws and I can't find the 3rd. I will figure that out in a minute. So, quick fast forward. Well, actually, I'll do a quick jump and it'll be done, because you don't just see me putting screws in. And as if by magic, it's done. I'll put this back end on here now, because the screws were still in there. Just push it in. 2 screws. So just be careful with the threads. If you warm the threads up a little bit by doing this with friction, then you could potentially rip out the metal. So maybe do a little bit of screw in, stop, because the friction will build up, and then restart again when the metal's cooled down just a tiny bit. Right, so there we are, done. So let me show you this with the new parts in. Here is what should be red. Better than the blue, which is bloody stupid. Actually, we can see the sides with the light coming through. There'll be a diffuser on that in the next part anyway, but there's your orange part. Better than this clear part, but it'll still bleed light through. Probably as much as, yeah, a little lot more through the clear one. It's a bit better, but still, it might look interesting when it's lit, I don't know. I don't think that was meant to be. I think it was gold. I suppose these are meant to be gold as well when it's not powered up. So, yeah. There we have it. That is the supplementary part that you need to do this before you get into stage 46, to replace the parts that Eaglemoss has messed up on. But never mind. These things happen. So, okay. That done. I'll get on with the next part. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, follow my social media, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.